How to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add clickable link in Instagram Reels. For this, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the Reels option. Now you want to select any video from this list. Now there is no direct button to add a clickable link in the Instagram reel. However, there is a very helpful workaround that you want to tap on the emoji icon at the top of your screen. Then from here on the search tab, you want to search for link. Now you want to select link in bio GIF. Then you can place it wherever you want. After that, tap on the next option. Now tap on the share option. Once it has been shared, you want to tap on your profile icon, and on your profile, you want to tap on the edit profile option. Then tap on the links option. Now tap on add external link. Then you simply want to enter the URL over here. After you have entered that, you can also enter a title for this. Then tap on the checkmark option at the top of your screen. Now head back, and on your profile you have this link. People who watch your reel can directly come in your bio and click on this link. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.